Order number 85, dated 27/1/2025. That is case number 26, annexure P6. Order number 85. Order number 85, dated 27/1/2025. Page number 26. Yes. I'm for the petitioner. Yes, sir. I was the petitioner. I filed the preemption case against the opposite parties. This statement was accepted after how much period? My lord, after 6.5 years. That too, my lord, without filing any show cause petition, without showing any delay. What prompted them to file the written statement after 6.5 years? Nothing was filed. They simply came and filed the written statement after 6.5 years. No continuation of delay. Who are the contesting defendant? Contesting defendant. One sold the opposite party to the opposite party number 2. Thereafter, opposite party number 2 sold the statement has been accepted by opposite party number 3. Opposite party number 3. That is 1B in that preemption case. On perusal of the entire materials, including the revision application and the order issue, and after hearing the learned advocate from the review council, this court finds prima facie sufficient merit the instant measure. Accordingly, the instant revision application is that and the petitioners are directed to cause signs of notice along with the few of the instant revision application upon the opposite party achievement. My lord, opposite party number 3 is contesting. He is the written statement has been accepted. Yeah, he is written statement. The who are 1 and 2, they are the prior purchaser. Prior purchaser. From whom the opposite party number 3 has purchased. No, actually the pro forma opposite party number sold the preempted land to the opposite party number 1, and in between the case, the opposite party number 1 sold to opposite party number 2, and opposite party number 2 thereafter sold the same to opposite party number 3.
And the opposite party of this contest.
Is conditional.
Application of the petition. The revision is not the revision is not written. Number 46. The revision is not written. For instance, the sync. Let me see what is here. The program here on.
You know, doctor.
The program here on.
You know, doctor.
I also. How long are you practicing, madam? 1 year. They Eastern difference.
something next tomorrow.
On behalf of the revisions and acquisitions. Therefore, I consider this as one of the. The thing has to be listed on August 18 to 25, August 10. It is number 48.
Lordship, item 48, I'm appearing on behalf of the OP number 1, Lordship. This is a preemption application under section 8 filed by the petitioners.
But and it will not stand over till Monday will not.
Why, sir?
But
Well, which already done a chat.
order of the London Civil Judge Junior Division as well as the London District Judge. It is merged into the order of the London District Judge.
Yes.
The first appeal under the preemption.
ADJ 4 Talipurtuvar.
If not allowed.
Dismissed in appeal again dismissed. No.
On behalf of the.
Monday will not.
Forty-nine. That's why I'm for the petition.
On the contract, for inclusion. Regarding. Not holding a mediation. Where the court appointed you as a.
Mediation.
Mediation.
Yes, my lord, I had yesterday, I had discussion with the learned register of circuit bench to use the mediations and room of the high court circuit bench. I have chalked out the plan, my lord. First I will sit with the councils, then with the parties. And to find out who is the friction point.
Where you are, it's not court appointed.
Lordship, Justice, Honorable Justice Vishnu Baku appointed.
Yes. Not.
Yesterday only I discussed the matter with the learned registrar. He has kindly consented me that whenever I need, I can use the mediation.
He said,
I will get it. My lord, actually, I had observed this thing. The lady appears to be little sick.
I don't disclose the series of mediation before. That is absolutely.
The mediation has not started. That's it.
Yes.
That's why I will get it done. My lord, 49.
That is not, that is beyond the spirit of mediation. Be there in 49 you are appearing on behalf of,
Petition.
which the other side? File the thing.
This is paying for transfer of title suit from Alipur to Ashok to Jalpaiguri.
Service has been affected.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Saurabh Ganguly, Mrs. Rishita Chakraborty and Ms. Devolina Rao. Is a matrimonial suit, sir?
No, my lord. Actually, the petitioner's husband, he had a certain LIC policies. The petitioner is the nominee. When this information received by the other in-laws of the petitioner, they filed a title suit in the court of Alipur. But the main office of the LIC is in
The petitioner is the defendant in the suit.
Yes.
He is the beneficiary of the policy. The policyholder died.
My lord,
What is the relationship between the defendant and the policyholder?
they were husband and
Oh, I see.
they
Then,
were men,
then who are the plaintiffs?
brothers, sisters.
What they say?
Because since there is a divorce between the petitioner and the husband, we have to get the LIC money. On
Oh,
matter.
in the meantime, divorce took place.
But the.
Nominee remains.
Nominee will.
Nominee remains as it
And
is.
my lord, there is a law which says that once benefit for the wife LIC is taken up, it cannot. But madam, right now your lordship is not considering that. Madam, the defendant number one wife is of Jalpaiguri. The main branch of LIC division office in Jalpaiguri. At that juncture, Alipurduar was under Jalpaiguri jurisdiction.
At that juncture,
Judicial area of Jalpaiguri extended up to Alipurduar, but now it is a separate district. So whether two defendants are from Jalpaiguri, main two defendants, my lord knows section 20 CPC, where the defendant resides.
what is the plaint, sir?
Date of the suit. My lord. Only page mark, huh? Page 20. Page 20, my lord, defendant number one, life insurance corporation of India, division manager, division of the Jalpaiguri, branch manager is not a very necessary one. Third, Nimoti Mitali Gu Jalpaiguri.
You are the defendant, Mr. Majumdar.
Defendant number one. Defendant number three, madam.
There is a wife.
Wife. One is life insurance corporation division office.
Mr. Majumdar, please come to section 19.
Doctor,
Kindly place, sir.
the suits for compensation for wrongful person or movers. I'm just a bit 20.
No, kindly, sir, place, kindly, sir. 19 place once.
Where a suit for compensation for wrong is done to the person or to movable property, if the wrong was done within the local unit of jurisdiction of one court, the defendant resides or carries on business or personally works for gain within the local limits or jurisdiction of another court, either court.
So it is not a suit for compensation.
No.
Very good. So 19 we will not apply. Then, sir, kindly place.
Subject to the limitation, the process, every suit shall be issued in a court within whose local limits of whose jurisdiction the defendant or each of the defendants where there are more than one at the time of commencement of the suit actually or voluntarily reside or carries on business or personally works for it. That is sufficient for the purpose of this application.
According to the plaintiff, where the defendant resides.
The main defendant is LIC division of his Jalpaiguri. And then one of the main defendants, Jalpaiguri is in Jalpaiguri. Rest are pro forma defendant. The division manager is there, branch manager is the offshoot.
Can lack of jurisdiction uh, be taken as a ground for transfer under section 24?
Yes, the suit ultimately should be fail.
So it will be beneficial for you.
No matter.
Why section 24 will be invoked?
My ground for transfer is two. One is the law dictates, and number two, my lord, I cannot.
In the event the trial court has got no jurisdiction and the suit will fail,
Right.
then why section 24 will be applied?
My lord, because I am not being able to gain access to justice because I am being threatened and prevented to attend them. That is my ground. And corollary to that is section 20.
What is the averment to that effect?
My lord, paragraph 8, it is pertinent to mention herein that the petitioner has hardly effort to engage an advocate to defend her in the suit. The legal aid cell of Alipurduar helped the petitioner with an advocate to defend her in the suit. On the last occasion when the petitioner went to Alipurduar to contest the suit, she was threatened by the opposite party. Even the petitioner could not lodge a complaint before the local police station against the opposite party as they are very influential person. The petitioner quite reasonably appeared that she may be further threatened in future when she should visit Alipurduar.
Any affidavit in opposition has been filed? Take down. You want
My lord, but before it, number 2, my lord, this for item number 46. My lord, kindly keep it on reference, my lord. Because engaged to court number 2, my lord. Really, follow
কি
the-
অর্ডার হয়েছে কি অর্ডার হয়েছে করে নেবো হ্যাঁ
46. That would be Monday. Kindly keep it on reference, my lord. We will.
seek an accommodation on the Monday.
Monday. Great. You know what? 50. Application, instant order, sharing,
What is can 3?
the extension method of the interim stay that was granted earlier. Lordship, after filing the CAN application and till now,
আচ্ছা জাস্ট মিনিট একবার ফাইলটা আগের ফাইলটা একবার দিন তো
My lord,
একটা জাস্ট অ্যাড ওয়ান লাইন
my lord, one indulgence, my lord. My lord,
Wait.
in this matter, item number 49, my lord. We are for the opposite party. We want to file in opposition, my lord.
No, Mr. Mujumdar has left. Just add one line. Since, don't leave, wait. Since can, one has already been disposed of on 14/2/2025, the department is directed not to show pendency of can 1 of 2024 on the next date of listing, on the subsequent listing of the instant matter. You are appearing on behalf of the all the opposite parties.
No,
Very good. কবে আছে এটা কবে রাখলাম
20th August.
appear on 20th August. No adverse order is passed.
grateful.
August 20, Wednesday আছে yes sorry
Item number 50. Lordship, after the filing of the CAN application in the month of March, till now, it has come to my knowledge that the suit, the title suit from which the include against which the revision lies, that suit has been dismissed for default and the restoration application has been filed to restore the original suit, but till date that application has not yet been heard. And my lord, if my lord will keep the matter after the annual revision of the of the bench of the Calcutta High
very good then for the timing as per request made on behalf of the petitioner then it will again it will to be hard.
What is it become? Right. No, 21.
So I am appearing for the opposite party in this matter.
What is can 1 of 2025? Disposed of. Who is for the petitioner?
It was earlier fixed on Monday. On that day also they have paid for accommodation. And no.
What is
copy of
can 1 sir?
No copy of CAN is served out. Fine.
Please to extend the order of interim stay
Okay.
or to modify the order
No matter.
10/3. Extend. You are the plaintiff opposite party or the defendant opposite party?
Defendant opposite party. So actually plaintiff wanted to introduce some, a copy of the plaintiff during the cross examination of the DW3. They tried to exhibit the copy of a plaint of another suit, which is pending at Darbhanga, Bihar. And the learned court below rejected such prayer. And the impugned order is in the certified copy stating that the plaint is not a public document and it cannot be exhibited. Certified copy cannot be exhibited. And that is the entire issue.
Certified copy
Whether
of a plaint.
is not a certified and is not a public document. That is the entire issue. Whether plaint is a public document or not. Probably they have challenged that they tried to make out their case that plaint is a public document. But actually plaint is not a public document.
Certified copy of a plaint is a public document, sir.
I am covered by a judgment where it is clearly stated the plaint cannot be treated as a public document. Only the order of a court cannot be treated as a public document. Other plaint, these are allegations of one party against another and averments. This cannot be treated as a public document. And secondary evidence has to be proved in a different manner.
None appears on behalf of the petitioner or the opposite party is represented.
Learned senior counsel substance also is appearing. Only one prayer before you launch, let the matter appear on.
Mr. Basu will come.
Yes,
Mr. Basu and Mr. Parthabuddin Rai, both will come.
As per request made at the bar, let the matter be listed on August 18, 2025 under the same heading, preferably at the top of the same heading.
deeply of, right?
Who is your other side, sir?
Other side. on the
Mr.
last-
Partho Bhumi. Where is Mr. Bhumi? What is the subject matter under challenge?
Order dated. Order number 23 dated 9/1/2025, where by the amendment petition of the plaintiff has been rejected.
After evidence was concluded, evidence was started.
Evidence was started,
Thereafter, you approached the trial court
yes.
for
Evidence
filing
started.
amendment.
Yes. The amendment was rejected not on a simple ground, on a perverse ground, that new grounds have been taken. No new grounds have been taken. Kindly come to the order number 1, where has been it is order dated 25/7/2025. At the time of admission of this revision petition, on the truth ground it has been admitted.
Where is your schedule of the plaint? Schedule of the amendment?
Schedule of the amendment is page number 21. Only elaboration of para 8.
What is the plaint?
Plain page number 14, kindly come, page number 14. that is the plaint in para 8. Already the ground is there, but only
Oh,
elaboration.
it is a preemption case.
Preemption case.
The petitioner is the adjoining landholder of the suit plot. Survey plots,
Just an elaboration, only plot number
adjoining suit plots.
that has been given. No new grounds. Both the grounds are there.
Give me a second, sir. Those are not within your knowledge. Those are not
just-
within your knowledge prior to
No, it was-
hearing, prior to hearing, initiation of the hearing.
no, there is the adjoining landholder, it is mentioned, but the elaboration has not been given.
So though these
Those
facts
plots.
were within your knowledge,
Yes,
then what prevented you not to make amendment or not to seek amendment prior to the initiation of hearing?
no, initiation, it came while elaboration is required. Mane plaintiff petitioner will require that to prove this the adjoining landholder, they are taken the ground that it is the adjoining land. Now, what are the adjoining plots that has been elaborated?
That ought to have been done earlier, no?
Yes, that is the mistake of the learned advocate. But for that, the litigant may not suffer.
Provided that no application for amendment shall be allowed after the trial has commenced, unless the court comes to the conclusion that in spite of due diligence, the party could not have raised the matter before the commencement of the
Yes.
trial.
The
So where is the amendment?
commencement of trial,
In your amendment application, where is that amendment?
a commencement of trial is not defined in CPC.
Sorry?
Commencement of trial has not been defined in CPC. It has been defined by Supreme Court in this judgment.
Yes.
The last, head note last and para 17.
Para 7.
Para 17.
1-7. So examination of witnesses have started.
But kill the argument. Comments is kill the argument that has been defined. Commencement of
There are
trial, as used in Service of Order of 6 Rule 17 must be understood in a limited sense, as meaning the final hearing of the suit, examination of witnesses, filing of documents, addressing of arguments. And while admitting this revision of petition, Honorable Justice Shobhusati Bhattacharya has viewed something. Kindly come.
Evidence of PW1 has been completed.
Completed, cross-examination is completed.
And
Then
yes, I'm
Where is the averment to that effect?
what, my lord.
That what prompted
It
you
is
to
just
file?
elaboration of this, that is, it is not a new
I
ground.
understand.
Yes,
But what is the averment in your amendment application
yes.
that despite due diligence, you could not file the amendment application?
Yes, my lord.
Where is that averment?
No, that amendment is not there.
Then-
Due diligence, when the due diligence is required, that has been defined, that also explained by the Honorable Supreme Court. When the due diligence is required. Delay in applying for amendment alone is not a ground to disallow the prayer. Supreme Court in 2022. This is a judgment of the Supreme Court in the year 2020. Delay in applying amendment is not a ground to disallow the prayer, where the aspect of delay is arguable.
Sir, so far my understanding goes, we are to go first look to the facts, thereafter law, and thereafter the ruling. Fact remains that it is a suit for preemption.
And the
The
ground.
fact is that the evidence of PW1 is either over or on. Now, if we look to the law, it says that no amendment is permissible after commencement of the trial, unless the court comes to the conclusion that in spite of due diligence, the party could not have raised the matter before the commencement of the trial. Now tell me within the four corner of your amendment application, where is that averment so that the court can come to that conclusion regarding your due diligence and in spite of exercising of your due diligence, you could not bring those matters. The matter is so simple. Thereafter, I look to the where is the averment to that effect?
No, due diligence is required when? When the commencement of trial has been commenced. Now that has to be come to the conclusion when the trial commenced. Supreme Court says it is up to the argument stage. Commencement of trial includes. We cannot go beyond it.
So what is the grammatical meaning of commencement?
Supreme Court defines.
No,
because it is not defined in the CPC.
I understand. I intend to know rather. What is the grammatical meaning of the commencement?
Then, my lord, kindly keep it. I will argue on the interpretation of the statutes.
Tell me
argue
now.
on it.
No, sir.
Kindly keep it on.
Commencement means initiation.
Kindly keep it in.
Commencement means initiation.
Yes, I will clear on that point. I will clear on that point by the various judgment. Kindly keep it in twist. I will argue in full.
You are sure that you are sure that you will.
Not sure. I will try to convince.
I believe you are sure that by somehow you will convince the court and get a favorable order.
No, not favorable. I will try to convince.
Then you ought to have seek an adjournment at the very first instance.
No, that.
You told that you are ready. You have utilized a valuable judicial hour, and now you are seeking an adjournment when I am asking you some question.
No, I thought that these questions will be satisfied by these judgments. So
Sir, don't judge a judge by your own perception.
I see that point.
যখন চেপে ধরা হল তখন বলছেন সময় দাও। Very unfortunate. On behalf of the petitioner, accommodation has been paid for. Therefore, accommodation is considered allowed. You are a man of Jalpaiguri or come from Siliguri, sir?
Man of Jalpaiguri.
Very good, sir. Get yourself ready and come with all supporting reported decisions, law, facts, whatever you want. But don't take stands. I've come here to dispose of some cases. May I know your good name, sir?
Somojyoti Datta.
Who is for the petitioner, sir?
Lordship, I am for the
Who is your other side?
Lordship, I have served and that the service has been completed, Lordship. Lordship, as
Give me a second, sir. Service has been affected
yes, sir.
upon all. Abdul Osman Sarkar. His opposite party number? 3. Very good. Asida Khatun Bibi. Who is she?
8.
8. Then Sir Abdul Hossain Sarkar.
2.
It is here Abdul Hamid Sarkar.
Abdul.
Sardar. Sarkar. Abdul Hamid Sardar. Then who is Abdul Hossain Sarkar? No. Oh, 11. Yes. Nasab Beva.
In this
You
division.
give me a second, sir. Dismissed for non-prosecution. It should be dismissed for default.
Yes, Lordship. They are not taken any steps. That's why, Lordship. Subsequently, they have filed out.
No. If you come to the order dated 16/8/2024, kindly comes.
Yes.
Please place.
Today is fixed for show cause by the plaintiff. Defendant filed Hajira. Plaintiff is absent
Without steps.
without steps. Now it's 2:30 p.m. None moves for appears on behalf of the plaintiff. No repeated call. Hence, it is that the suit is dismissed for non-prosecution.
It should be dismissed for default, no?
Yes.
Non-prosecution when appears? When the plaintiff says that I'm not inclined to proceed with the instant suit. Then they do sue for non-prosecution. Then what happened?
Lordship, after that, Lordship.
Restoration of the case.
Yes.
Without initiating any miscase.
Yes.
Under order 9, rule 9.
Yes. That is my case.
Oh.
They just file an mere put-up petition. And on that basis, learned judicial magistrate, junior division Lordship.
The affidavit of
Substitution application. Recently died.
Who died?
Plaintiff and my opposite party, and the defendant.
Who died?
Worship,
Plenty
I have been instructed to appear on behalf of.
Oh, in the revisional application, who died, Mr. Poddar? Say like that.
Opposite party.
From this, I cannot say, understand who is plaintiff, who is dependent. Asun. Mr. Poddar, learned advocate appearing on behalf of the
This matter is led by senior counsel.
Lordship, I beg to appear on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2 in this matter, madam.
Chief,
Praying for my lord's leave to appear virtually, my lord.
yes, sir.
due to his illness, Lordship,
Who is appearing, sir?
Lordship, senior counsel Animesh Mishra.
He's a man of circuit bench or from Kolkata?
Lordship from Kolkata.
Principal bench.
Principal.
What do you want?
Lordship, Monday, Lordship, he has instructed me.
Not today.
My lord is making it on Monday, my lord. May I just pray for my lord indulgence to make it on Tuesday, my lord. Monday, I have some personal difficulty, my lord.
Then Wednesday, sir?
Wednesday, very well, my lord.
The letter line लिखेंगे as per request made at the bar. Let the matter be listed on August 20, 2025.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful, my lord.
Another same meeting.
Grateful, my lord. Much obliged, my lord. With the leave of my lord.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Lordship, I have the petition, Lordship. OP number 2, OP number 1 is not served.
I am appealing for the.
But not effective, Lordship.
Oh, it is submitted on behalf of the petitioner.
Not.
The service is not complete. Stop para. In view of such, let the matter be listed in the next available circuit bench.
With this matter, I will be praying for an adjournment.
That's item 58, my lords. I am appearing, my lords, for the respondent. My lords, only thing is, my lord, your lordship will see, your lordships perhaps cannot take up this matter because this is an intellectual property matter. And now, my lords, your lordship knows there is a Calcutta High Court Intellectual Property Division. So this matter has to be taken up by the Intellectual Property Division of the Calcutta High Court. Now, my lords, that determination, Jalpaiguri Division doesn't have an Intellectual Property Division. Now, this matter can only happen in Calcutta. What my learned friend has done is the petitioner herein, they have filed a CO. It cannot be in the form of a CO. It has to be CRIPD. My lord, there is a list published by the Calcutta High Court where these matters have been clearly designated to the Intellectual Property Division. So, my lord, this proceeding, my lord, will be a nullity, my lord, in my respectful submission.
So where are those rules?
My lord, my junior is there, my lord, he'll hand it over to your lordship.
I am making an adjournment, my lord. Let the matter appear on Monday.
On behalf of the petitioner, an accommodation has been paid for. Prayer for accommodation is considered allowed. Let the matter be listed in the next available circuit bench. No, let the matter be listed on the
Monday.
let the matter be listed on the first day of the next available circuit bench under the same heading. Next.
Last occasion, there was an order to supply, to notice the other party. But due to the online difficulty, could not supply.
It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner. When the order was passed, Finding.
My lordship, am I audible, my lordship? My lordship, in the item number 60, my lordship, I am the petition number 2, my lordship.
Yes.
My lordship, am I audible, my lordship?
Yes, absolutely audible. You are appearing in person.
Yes, my lordship, I am in person, my lordship. I am the petitioner number 2, my lordship. Petitioner number 1 is my father.
My lords, I'm for the opposite party. I'm being led by Mr. Vikramaditya Ghosh. We have not been served copies of the application, my lords.
My lordship, I served to
Okay,
all the.
give me a second, madam.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
What's your good name, madam?
My lordship, Sumandita Banik.
What is the affidavit of service?
My lordship, for that today I want to sort an accommodation because today is the lower court date for which I can't come to Jalpaiguri, my lordship. My hometown is Alipurduar. Can this matter be fixed on next week, my lordship? I have ready, my affidavit service is ready. Even I served to all the parties, my lordship. In
We
the
have not
previous
received copies, my lords. We have not received copy as of yet.
My lordship, I have
No,
delivered.
very good. Can you serve a soft copy of the revisional application to your other side?
My lordship, I can, but I don't have their mail ID or anything, my lordship.
Give the mail ID.
How should I do that, my lord?
What's your phone number? You have disclosed your phone number.
Yes, my lordship. I disclose, my lordship. Even my mail ID also given there.
riabonik656@gmail.com.
Yes, yes, my lordship. Yes.
What's your good name?
Ved Rai, my lords.
Huh?
Ved Rai.
You are appearing on behalf of all the opposite party.
The private party. My senior is appearing. I'm here on behalf.
Give me a second.
Yes, sir.
Who is for the state?
For the state.
You have got the copy. And you are for Nirendranath Bonik and Rakhal Chandra Datta.
I'm not sure actually. Kaushik Bond.
Who is the advocate on record?
This was
Copy served?
no.
Lordship, they did not yet receive.
We have
the-
No, I want to know who is the advocate on record on behalf of the opposite party number 2 and 3.
It must be my senior, my lord.
What's the name of your senior?
Mr. Vikramaditya Ghosh.
Where is this Mr. Ghosh?
He's in legs in court number.
Do you know the name of Mr. Ghosh? Do the phone number and email number of the Mr. Ghosh?
Yes, I do.
You do?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you provide your, in the slip you do that. You mention that.
Yes, ma'am.
His phone number, WhatsApp number and his email number.
Yes.
And on the basis of that, it will be uploaded. He will give them a soft copy.
My lordship, my lordship.
What's your good name?
Ved Rai, my lords.
Ved Rai. The petitioner number 2, Sunandita Bonik, appears in person. What's your good name, ma'am?
Bindasruti Bose.
MS Bedosruti Bose, এখানে মিস্টার হয়ে গেছে। MS Bedosruti Bose appears, learned advocate appears on behalf of the state.
Led by Mr. Hirokor.
and she is led by Mr. Hirok Bormon. What's your good name? Bedroy.
Rai.
Mr. Roy appears.
Rai, my lord. R-A-I.
Mr. Rai appears on behalf of the private respondents, private opposite parties. And he says that he is led by Mr. Ghosh. Stop. It is submitted by Mr. Rai Paradie that he has not been served. No, it is submitted by Mr. Rai that the opposite party number 2 and 3 are not served with the copies of the instant revisional application. Stop. Such contention is however disputed by the petitioner number 2 who appears in person in virtual mode. Stop para. In view of such, Mr. Rai, learned advocate appearing on behalf of the opposite party number 2 and 3 are hereby directed to disclose the name, phone, WhatsApp number and email number of his senior, that is Mr. Vikramaditya Ghosh, poster. The petitioners are hereby directed to serve copy of the instant revisional application to Mr. Ghosh either through mail or by WhatsApp, and to file printout of such mail or WhatsApp on the adjourned day, along with the affidavit of service poster. Let the matter be listed on Monday, Tuesday, MSCC matter is there. Monday or Wednesday?
Wednesday.
My lordship, Wednesday.
Very good. Then on 27th August, under the same heading,
Grateful.
you give the name.
Yes, ma'am.
দেখি আবার কি দিয়েছেন উনি?
He's submitting his appearance.
Have you given? Write it now.
Let's the paper.
It will be uploaded and from that order you will get it.
Okay, my lords. Grateful, my lords.
Next.
The petitioner was trying to improve 1 day motions.
Why?
My senior is unable to go. My senior is going to home lordship for personal difficulty lordship. That's it.
Not today.